Good afternoon with everyone. Now I will give you a little demonstration on how quantum medicine, the quantum therapy devices of low intensity laser act on the defense system, in which point it can be put so that the therapy will act through the blood and acts in a local level. In this moment we can see how the red light that is seen as well as this light it penetrates with lasers of low intensity, infrared lights, and around the device it has magnetism that is used to create electromagnetism. Then all these factors act on the organism, making its defense to rise in the organism. Then for the laser to act on the blood level with the quantum devices and to raise the defenses of the organism, we apply and put it in the carotid blood vessel of the thumb, and also we put the device for 5 minutes in the indicated place. Then through the blood it is distributed, making the forming of the cells and also helping the quantum energy to act and making it form in another type of positive energy that has an anti-inflammatory effect against the pain. Also it regenerates the tissue. In this case, it makes that the cells of the erythrocytes and leukocytes to have a better function and make them act against any virus that enters the organism. You put it 5 minutes on one side, and then we feel exactly the same part of the left carotid. Also we let it there for acting like for 5 minutes, and exactly we let it in the same place to complete the action of the stimulation through the blood. Instead of putting the serum, the device acts through the skin and has a penetration of 12 centimeters and can overstep the blood vessel and act on the level of the blood. Then the 5 minute pass, and also in the part of the elbows we can put the device as same as in the other parts. It will act exactly the same in the veins. Also it will be not needed to put serum and will go through the blood, making the defenses of the organism to raise and have a better circulation. Another 5 minutes will pass and we put it in the left side the device, exactly filling the blood vessels. So with this method we have the penetration that it will be of 12 centimeters. Then it acts directly in the stream of blood. Then when the 5 minutes will pass, we see how it acts against the coronavirus or any virus. Infection of the throat that can be caused by the virus, bacterium or fungus that acts in a local level. Then in a local level the energy acts and transpasses through the windpipe. In the larynx, the mucous membrane of the larynx gets better and improves, and in this case it has an antibacterial effect and has an effect against the coronavirus or fungus, so it will kill any microorganism that is inside the throat. We let there to act in during 5 minutes, and the same we do on the other side of the neck. So we there let it act for about 5 minutes, and with this we are sure that any bacterium, any fungus or virus will be killed by the energy that is transmitted by the quantum therapy device. In this case, the coronavirus has its layer of fat disintegrated that covers the old virus. Then the virus will lose its power, and so the laser can kill it easily, so it can get down to the lungs. As well, we let it act for 5 minutes, the quantum therapy device, and in case of any pneumonia caused by the bacterium, virus or fungus that act on the level of the lungs, we can leave it 3 minutes in the left side, and in the right side also we leave the device for 3 minutes. In the side where the laser penetrates the lungs, we can see that the treatment goes well, and we also see how it acts through the body, the energy that goes directly to the lungs, so it can act directly, so it doesn't have any problem when putting or treat this virus. So we put the device for 3 minutes in each side, and we are sure that the organism not just gets its face raised, but it also kills any microorganism that it's doing damage to our organism. With this is how we demonstrated how does the quantum medicine and quantum therapy helps for these cases like we have now with this pandemic situation. It helps to prevent, and in case of pneumonia, to treat the problems this disease brings. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good time, have a good health. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and have a good day. Bye.